Functions of statistics. The first one is it makes complicated data easily understandable, which means it makes huge data into graphs or presentations, percentages, averages, through which we can easily understand it. Let us take an example. Imagine you are given a 10,000 pile of exam papers. You don't have time to read each one, do you? But here, statistics can help by summarizing everything into simple numbers like averages or percentages. The same way, even in big companies, managers can understand huge information quickly through statistics. The next one is studies the relationship between two or more variables. Statistics can show how one thing affects another. For example, more ads, more sales, more staff, better service. Managers use this to make smart decisions for future. Managers use this information to make smart decisions for the future of the business. The next one is it presents the data in a definite form. Now, what does it mean? Which means it gives clear and exact data. Instead of saying sales are good, a manager can say sales increased by 25%, which means when you present the data with realistic facts, there will be more impact on that. This makes the message clear and easy to act on. The next one is that it assists in forecasting activities, which means it helps to predict the future. By looking at past data, statistics can help managers forecast what might happen. For example, sales usually go up during the festival season, so the manager can get ready in advance and maybe take more production for that seasonal period. The next one is that it offers techniques for comparison of quantitative factors, which means it compares different situations. Managers can compare data like this year versus last year, or one city versus another city if the company or if the industry is having many distribution channels. Then all of these factors help see what's working and what's not. The next function is that it assists in testing and formulating theories, which means it helps in research and proving ideas. In fields like agriculture or business, statistics helps test ideas. For example, does using more fertilizers helps plants grow faster? And this answer can be given by data and statistics. The next and the last function is that it assists in formulating policies, which means it helps in making policies and plans. Governments and companies use statistics for surveys, like on prices, wages, sales, etc., to create rules and strategies that are realistic and useful. Though there are many functions of statistics, there are also limitations to it. Let us also understand the limitations of statistics. The first one is statistics are not qualitative. What does it mean? Statistics only work with numbers, not emotions or qualities. For example, the classroom feels happy today is not statistics, but 25 out of 30 students smiled can be, right? So here it is not always important, or we can take it into consideration that the quality is being looked after. The next one is statistics does not constitute isolated facts and figures, which means that single numbers are not useful. If you see, one person's salary is not statistics, but at the same time, the average salary of 1,000 people is statistics. Statistics only work when you have a group of related numbers. The next one is that statistical laws are probabilistic in nature. What does it mean? Which means that they are not 100% accurate, they are just probable. Statistics can only give us close guesses, not exact answers. It tells what likely to happen, not what will definitely happen. For example, if you take that the sales might be high next month due to some festival or some reason, but then it might turn out because of different scenarios and situation where it might not be the same. The next one is statistics can be misused. Statistics can be misused if someone wants to cheat or lie. They can show numbers in a tricky way. For example, a politician might show only the good data and hide the rest. So, statistics must be used honestly and by the trained people. The last one is statistics cannot measure individual behavior. As we have already discussed the same point in the second one, which is statistics does not constitute isolated facts and figures, which means single numbers are not useful. So, statistics cannot measure individual behavior or individual aspects. Hence, these are the functions and limitations of statistics. Thank you.